Hi friends, I'm Tilak, your working tech may beginning, and today we're going to see how to insert the home symbol on your WPS presentation mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a home symbol on your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show in this video. For example, here I'm just going to insert the home symbol. So if you are just clicking on the symbol option and just going inside the insert option, but you can't find the symbol option here because there is no insert symbol option present in this WPS presentation. So instead of that, use your keyboard. Here I just using my Google keyboard. First step for you just need to click on this number section first. Then you just need to click on the symbol section again. And now you can find option called pi. Just long press it and you can find the home symbol. So just long press it, it will have this pop-up and just swipe it and just insert. This is how you just insert the home symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day. If you have any comment out, just comment below.